Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can enable Greek ad block on Brave. So let's get started. Firstly, open Brave browser in your device, then tap on three dots icon, next tap on settings. After that, tap on Brave Shields and Privacy, then scroll until you find content filtering, next tap on Net. After that, scroll until you find Greek ad block, then turn on the button on it. So this is how you can enable Greek ad block on Brave. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload